you get on the ferry, you have to get out of your car.
It's only to maximize your fun though. Am I annoying?
Yeah.
My first Carnival cruise would be in New Zealand.
We are walking on the road. We said first turn on the right after 100 meters. So we gotta be close. Oh, this has gotta be it. Okay, so here we are outside of Hobbiton a little ways. We had just fallen down that hill up there. Yeah, because we got into Farmer Maggot's crop.
Farmer Maggot's crop.
And Mary and Pippin, that's where we stumbled into them. We tumbled down this hill. Mary broke this carrot. It was hilarious. They almost landed in poop. And then all of a sudden Fro was like, get off the road. And so all four of them hopped up down here where we're sitting right now. And we were scared because the Nazgul was about to ride by. Get off the road! Quick!
What is this? Leaving Rhythm Man. This has got to be one of the only ones they left here.
We are, this is the archway where the Fellowship of the Ring, after it was newly formed, walked out on their way to destroy the ring in Mordor, but don't tell Sauron because he doesn't know what we're trying to destroy. He thinks we're going to use it against him. This is where Frodo says, Gandalf, Mordor, is it left or right?
Whoa, this is a good one! Shrek, I'm looking down.
Don't do that. what? This?
Outdoor watch. Outdoor watch.